Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and fix your Instagram Reels not working on iPhone problem. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and dive into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, let's go ahead and open our browser. So what you gotta do is simply go ahead, go to search bar and type in is Instagram down today. Once searched up, you can see our service is currently operating as expected at the location you provided. So you can see right now in this location it's good over here, so you can go ahead, check it out. Once you're done with that, then what you can do, simply go ahead, open your settings. For example, if your reels are not working in terms of you're not being able to watch them, the sound is not correct, it's lagging in between, or if you're trying to create a reel, you're not being able to, then what you can do is simply go ahead, go to this option called storage. Tap on this storage option and then you will go ahead, find your app, tap on it. Now you can see offload app. You can simply go ahead, offload your app there, and then you can again go back to your app and try to use it as you would like to. Other thing that you can do, go ahead, go to App Store, go to search, type in the name of the app and check if it, for example, Snapchat needs an update, go ahead, update, and Instagram does not. It says open right here, so that means Instagram is working pretty well. It doesn't need any update as well. So these are the settings. You can go look for it there in your mobile phone and correct it, and then go ahead, use it as you would like to. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.